In the world today, you can go out and eat anything you can really think of. But cooking from home from scratch can mean a lot too. In today's video, I'm bringing y'all along as I just cook a meatloaf from scratch using what I've got in my kitchen and what my chicken gave me, that pretty little egg there. In today's world, the groceries are costing so much, and taking a family out to eat nowadays is around probably, for a family of 4 or 5, you're looking at $100 every time you go out and eat. But it's just Travis and myself now, and we don't hardly ever go out and eat. I do most of our cooking from home. I just love to cook, and most everything we cook is from scratch. I really don't go by a lot of recipes to say. I just do a recipe with what I know how to cook and use what I've got. That's how our grandparents cooked. They didn't go with an exact recipe every time. Every time you cook something using what you got, your recipe could be just a little bit different, but it always turns out good. And cooking from scratch is a way to use up what you need to use. Make your recipes yourself and do it just a little bit different every time. It don't always have to be the same, but most of the time it turns out good. So the next time you think about going through that drive-thru, think about what you've got at home that you can use to make a meal. A meal that your family will love, and it'll be a lot better for them than going through that McDonald's drive-thru. So your recipes that you do in your meals don't have to look like something that come out of a magazine. As long as it's good, your family will love it. And when you're doing it at home, you have more time. Once you get your stuff in the oven cooking, you can go outside and take care of what needs to be done. In my videos, I share and show you some of my chickens, my garden, my stuff that my husband does, and our dog Banjo. So whenever you do cook at home, it does give you more time to get stuff done, or either just spend with your family being at home instead of sitting in the drive-thru. Now to put our meatloaf in, we're going to be using these little loaf pans. These are the cutest little ceramic loaf pans with the fruit on them. They were Travis's mama's. She used them for a lot of different things. We like meatloaf in them, cobblers, and even bread. They're the perfect size for one. Now, how many of y'all out there have dishes that belong to your family that you still use to cook in? Or even some like milk glass or stuff like that. The older dishes are harder to come by now. And they're a lot higher in price because people realized how cute they are and made them more like vintage dishes and very expensive. Now we're going to pack these real good and full because the price of ground beef nowadays, you can't let any go to waste. I cannot believe how expensive all the groceries are nowadays. It's getting worse and worse. And now we're going to be using one of our old cast iron skillets to put these dishes in, so I don't have to set them directly on the stove. I don't want anything to happen to them. And this cast iron skillet will catch the grease from getting all over the place too. Now we're going to start our side dish. I'm going to make a broccoli and sort of like a pasta casserole. We're going to be using that cream of soup we made a while back. We made that from scratch. You can take that cream of soup basic recipe and make cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, cream of broccoli, many different soups that you might need in different recipes from that basic cream of soup recipe. You can look it up on our channel. I showed how we made that to keep in our pantry to use in times like this. I'm going to leave it just the basic cream of soup to go with that cheese today for this broccoli casserole. And yes, we'll be using another cast iron skillet. If y'all hadn't noticed, if you've been around here for a while, you know I love using cast iron. It's my favorite way to cook, and what we use to cook mostly all our dishes with. Now, if your kids don't like broccoli, using this recipe with that cream of soup and cheese mixed in it might help them get to eat it. You may get them to like it. You never know. Y'all comment down below and tell what you like to cook from scratch. Oop, y'all fogged up. Now that right there is our homemade cream of soup we made. I've got a video about that if y'all want to look it up. How to make homemade cream of soup. It's a base that you can use for cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, whatever you're wanting to cook. And I gotta make sure I get all this out of my pot. It's hard to cook with one hand. More water to it, because I want to make sure it don't thicken up too much. And that cheese will finish melting as it cooks. Okay, we're going to put our lid on it, and we're going to bake this in the oven for around 35 minutes. Put that in there. Let's check our meatloafs while we're opening the door. They're getting started. Well, y'all go in your kitchen and see what you can cook from scratch. You can make your own recipes the way you like, using what you got. I hope y'all liked tonight's video, and if you do, don't forget to hit the hype button, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you hadn't already. And like always, we just want to say a big thanks for watching, and happy cooking!